Alright, so today we're doing a pub favourite. It's a chicken Parmigiana. It's not the traditional chicken Parmigiana, it's my style chicken Parmigiana. It's pretty healthy, it's not crumbed, it's not deep fried, it's pretty easy to do. Let's get into it. Alright, so the ingredients we got today, we've got 2 large organic chicken breasts, we've got some diced pancetta, we've got some shredded pizza blend cheese here, got some organic passata sauce. You can use any passata sauce that you like. We've got some paprika. We've got some mixed herbs. Got some croutons here. Any croutons that you can find. Got some avocado oil and some salt and some cracked pepper. Alright, so we're going to start with our chicken breast. I got my pan heating up over there on medium heat. So we just want to take off these tenderloins, just rip them off. We just want to slice these chicken breasts in half. Just like that. Alright, so my pan's on medium heat. We're going to start cooking our chicken breasts and we're going to transfer it into this baking tray. So we just want to spray it with a little bit of avocado oil. We'll throw our chicken breast in. We don't want to cook this chicken breast through, we just want to seal it off. We're just going to cook all 4 pieces until they're nice and brown on each side. So before we flip it, we want to season both sides, so we'll just start with this side first. Just some sea salt. Some cracked pepper. Some of our paprika. And some of our mixed herbs. We want to give them a flip. I just want to repeat the seasoning on this side. Just want to give it a sprinkle of each ingredient. Alright, so these are sealed off now. I'm just going to transfer these into my baking tray. I'm going to get on to cooking the last piece of chicken breast. And then we'll start putting together our chicken Parmigiana. Alright, so my last piece of chicken breast is cooking up in there. We just want to throw in our pancetta now just to cook that off a little bit. You don't have to use pancetta if you can't find it. Diced bacon will do, or you can just cut up some rashers of bacon. You can even use some thinly sliced prosciutto. If you use prosciutto, you don't really need to cook it off, because that's cured. So I just want to cook this pancetta off a little bit just so it's not raw through that Parmigiana. We're going to cook it in the oven, but we still just want to give it a little bit of a crisp up, and that'll get a lot of the fat out as well, because there's a lot of fat in here, so that will drain the fat into the pan. and there won't be as much fat in the sauce when we cook the chicken parmy. Alright, so our pancetta is cooking up over there. We just want to lay these chicken breasts flat. Get them in as evenly as you can. We just want to get our tomato passata here. Pour that all over the top. You won't need it all. So this is a 500 gram pack. I've used 3/4 of it. I'm going to get a little bit of our cheese here, our shredded cheese. Put that on. And I'll put half of our croutons on. Now this is just one packet out of the box, I didn't use the whole box. So we've got our pancetta here. Most of the oils come out of that, all that fat in there, so we just want to drain that to the side like that. We just want to scoop it out, sprinkle it all over. Just going to do half now, so sprinkle half of it there. We just want to do another layer of our cheese. Some more croutons on. I'm going to lay it with the rest of our pancetta. I'm going to spray those with a little bit of avocado oil. I'm going to sprinkle with a little bit more Italian herbs, mixed herbs. I'm going to put a little bit more passata on top. Just drizzle it around like that. Then we just want to top it with the rest of the cheese. So this is the pizza blend cheese here. It's about a 250 gram net. Rightio, so I've got my oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius over there. We're just going to put this in the oven. We're going to cook it for about 10-15 minutes until it's nice and golden on top, and then the chicken will be cooked through by that time. About 15 minutes it will take to cook the chicken through because we've sliced it in half. It's not the whole breast, so it's going to cook a lot quicker. So once that's golden, I'll take it out and we'll plate it up. Alright guys, so it's been in the oven for about 15 minutes on 200 degrees. Once the sauce is all thickened up around the edges, and when the croutons are nice and crispy, the cheese is all melted, it's ready to plate up. So all we want to do is we want to get some of our chicken breast. Want 2 pieces per serve. Put them on the plate. Make sure you get a good serving of everything on there, and we're just going to get a little bit more of that sauce, and we want to drizzle it around like that. And all we want to do to finish it, just want to get some balsamic glaze. Just put some balsamic glaze over the top like that. And there we are, guys. That's a generous serving there. It's a lot healthier than the crumbed and deep fried one. It's not absolutely healthy, but it's a lot healthier than the deep fried version, that's for sure. Now you can serve this just one piece if you like, and you can also serve it with a little bit of rocket, some Parmesan cheese on the rocket, a little bit of olive oil, and some balsamic glaze on the rocket. That's a nice side dish to go with this. There we are, that's my style chicken Parmigiana. Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.